Hello, I'm David Chester with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news Australia's banks find few home loan borrowers can resume normal mortgage repayments. But first, China's foreign exchange reserves rose in August, although that was not by as much as expected. They were boosted by China's August exports, were up a healthy 9.5% from a year ago, and that was far more than expected. But their imports were down 2.1%, which was also more than expected. That means their trade surplus was higher than forecast and the highest since May 2019. Almost 60% of their surplus is from trade with the US, and that surplus is a huge $34 billion for the month. Container volumes pouring into the US West Coast confirm that trade. With New Zealand, China ran a trade deficit with us of $500 million for the month. Strong import demand of food items in China is raising global food prices. And in Taiwan, their international trade rose as well, but with a better balance. Their exports rose more than expected by 8.3% above the August 2019 level, and their imports rose by a very similar amount. In Australia, their independent services PMI has come in weaker in August than it was for July, and that is supported by new data that shows a stall in the rebound of Australian job ads. And ANZ is requiring borrowers for upmarket property in Melbourne to front up with a 30% deposit. It claims it's preparing for mortgage stress to peak in the middle of 2021. This reassessment is happening, and it is becoming clear that only a small 13% of borrowers who agreed to deferral terms have resumed normal repayments. 87% of them haven't. The US Treasury 10-year yield is still on 0.72% while Wall Street is on holiday. The price of gold is down $6 today to $1,929 an ounce. And oil prices are lower today, down to just on $39 a barrel in the US, and the international price is down to just on $42 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is softer again today, now at 66.9 US cents. Against the Australian dollar was softer too at 91.9 Australian cents, and against the euro with little change at 56.6 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index slipped marginally to 69.9. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.